Let me congratulate you, sir, for coming up back
Thank
to
you.
Rocking Show, as you always rock. So I just want Jari, how it connects you and whom you are thinking that more efficient and more, not efficient word, I'll use it, more of the people you'll get into the board.
See, one is friendship and a concept నేను ఎక్కువ నమ్ముతానండి అండ్ నేను whether I did films, whether I did shows or other things that I've done so far, I've hosted events, all of that I'm able to do because there's a lot of support from friends and I can say whatever I want and they obviously take it sportively and it's really fun and last time season 1 చేసినప్పుడు I think that was the first time I also got a chance to be myself. See, otherwise I'm playing Ballal Deva, either I'm playing Mr. Nara Chandrababu Naidu, I'm playing some character or the other at all times. And being myself, I think Namma Onyari is the only place I can be myself and connect and talk to the audience that way. And at the same time, many people have this thing about celebrities who are famous and all that. And I'm saying the idea is to cut that fame away and I'm saying there's a normal life to all of us. So that's what we want to bring out.
Do you think because of you just said celebrities, what else are the sectors you're looking forward that, they can connect with this brand?
See, one is this is, I mean, actually, for me, we live in the movies, we live in the art world, so it's definitely somebody in the art segment only that will be their art, sport, or whatever in that sector. So, but what I'm trying to bring out is trying to bring out unusual friendships, trying to bring out things that you all don't know. Like I realized till the day I brought Nagi to set, nobody knew Nagi and I studied together. So I wanted to bring out, find connections like that, find guys who went to school, trying to do that, and that's when the show will become fun.
And people are waiting that you will get Prabhas on board.
See, it's more than a star-driven show. The idea is to find people who are friends. See, only if the people in that show are all our friends and connected in some ways, only then, there have to be a Yari between them for Yari to work. Yeah.
So I know the concept is Yari. So let's see how Yari you have. If you have to get married soon, when you will get married with whom? It's a Yari question.
It's a Yari question. When I will get married? First, I won't get married. Not in the next 7-10 years for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm liking this life, and it's a good life. Being single is a good life.
Okay.
Huh?
And dream girl?
See, I'll tell you, when you grow up over time, you'll forget this concept of a dream girl. You know why? Because if you keep dreaming, that person won't be there. It's only a dream. So I said, let's find somebody who works and who's happy to be together. That's all.
And if we just wanted to know we just saw a new look of Chandrababu. So is it a tough time for you to get into that look?
Definitely, and you know me. It was quite challenging, but I think it's the right kind of people I had supporting me, like the right kind of friends. Like there was Krish in that film. He's the director of the film. So obviously, like when people are friends, we can get things done. And I guess that's the you've seen some things that work in that.
Can we see this kind of program will be promoted on the national level if we see it Bollywood, because nationally you are known stars, so we can get more of Bollywood stars.
See, this is a Telugu show. I want under Telugulo maatadali. I'd say I have a lot of friends in different places, but then bringing them will make it an English show, or it won't become a language-based show. Okay. So I'm just trying to make it as Telugu as possible.
We just want to end up by knowing one dialogue which relate to your Yari, a Yari dialogue.
A Yari dialogue. Well, friendship is a gift and I've received it.
No, we wanted Rana to be in a dialogue. It's like ये तो ऐसे लग रहा है you're giving her one lecture. We wanted a dialogue, Yari dialogue from Rana as an actor.
Yari is the only time I'm normal, yeah. So there's no dialogue here. It only comes free flowing. Yeah.
So when you're with friends, any dialogues or anything you do, and your friends connect you and they say, "Oh, Rana, we want that from you." They ask you something for?
No, they don't ask me anything.
No, I mean for a dialogue or something.
Nothing. They don't ask me anything. That's why I'll tell you what my friends will ask on the show.
Okay, one line for a friendship.
One line for friendship. Like I said, friendship's a gift and I've received it. Simple as that. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.